The amount of depreciation charged under annuity method remain fixed for all years, decreases every year, increases every year, recalculated every year. Remains fixed for all years. The debit balance in the bank column of cash book indicates the amount withdrawn from bank, total amount deposited in bank, cash at bank, bank overdraft. Cash at bank. At the end of the accounting year, nominal accounts are balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account, not balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account, not balanced and transferred to balance sheet, balanced and transferred to the balance sheet. Not balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account. Premium on redemption of debenture is dash account. Personal, nominal, real, none of the above. Personal account. If the shares are forfeited, the share capital account is debited by call-up value of shares, paid-up value of shares, face value of shares, issue price of shares. Call-up value of shares. The process of recording financial data up to trial balance is bookkeeping, classifying, summarizing, analyzing. Bookkeeping. The maximum number of partners is mentioned in Companies Act, Partnership Act, Limited Partnership Act, none. Companies Act. An accounting system which presents the balance sheet into two parts is called double entry system, double account system, single entry system, statement of affairs. Double account system. Voyage account is dash account, real, nominal, personal, none of these. Nominal account. In self-balancing, board ledger adjustment account is open in board ledger, sold ledger, general ledger, none of these. General ledger.